Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how to post on Dribble and Behance. So we're starting with Behance first. So it's just going to be a quick one. So here is Behance. So you just navigate to this share your work, then you see project. So you click on the project, then it loads. So you can see that there's on the right side you see add content. So you can add your image, your text, your photo grid, anything you want to add, even video. So you click on the image because I want to post images. So you click on images, and I've saved my images already from Figma. I've exported my designs from Figma already. So I'm just going to go to my pictures and select what I want to post. So I will highlight everything together. Then I'm going to click on open. So it's going to load automatically. So this is it loading. So after it loads, you will notice that on the right side, two buttons is going to appear where you see continue and save as draft. You can also view the preview of your post. So we're going to continue. So I'm not saving as draft and I'm not previewing. I'm just going to continue posting. So it's going to show you the screen. Then you see the cover image. So you can change your cover image. But I'm not going to change mine because automatically it brings the first image for me. So I'm going to put in my project title, project tags, the two used, then the category. It's going to bring out some listed tags for me because I've been using some tags already. So it's just going to bring out the tags. It's going to autofill the tags for me. It's going to bring out the tags for me. Then the two I use, Figma, then the category. I'm just going to put product design and UI UX design. You can see all fields. Then you pick the one you want. Then done. Then visibility, also very important. So I want everyone to be able to see this design because I want it to be open to clients also, everyone. Then I'll publish. So it's publishing. It's going to take a few moments. Then it's published already. I'm going to appreciate my work. Then you can see that I can also post to other platforms. So this is my work. Then I can even edit it. So editing is just like when you are sharing your work again, they have the same flow. So the editing and the sharing your work flow are the same flow. So I can come to my profile, I can change the layout if I want to, and if I don't want, I can leave it the way I want. So that's all about on Behance, and that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.